All right, so you would like to make up your math test for either pre-algebra or algebra. Well, here's what's going to happen. You are going to go to this website, deltamath.com, deltamath.com. When you get here, you will be greeted with a screen like this. So since you don't have an account, you have to go over here to create an account. You're going to click Student, and it's going to ask you for a teacher access code. Here is what the code is. The teacher code is 247180. The code again, 247180. So when you enter this code, it's going to pop down here with my teacher name, Mrs. Poole. It's my legally married name, but you can still call me Miss Thorpe, whichever you prefer. So here's the important information. If you are in Algebra 1, you're going to click Algebra 1, type your first, last email, and verify, and so on. If you're in pre-algebra, you're going to click pre-algebra. But make sure you don't click both, because you're in one class or the other. And if you mess up, then that means you have to remake your account, and yeah, it's a whole bunch of mess. So you're going to enter your first name. So enter your first name, last name, your school email, okay, your school student email. You have to click email verify. Enter a password. I would highly suggest maybe a password to your email or into your login account, anything like that. When you are done, you will hit create account. Now, if you accidentally hit create or it says something is error, some of the things are maybe your email is not spelt right. Remember, it's students with an s.mpsaz.org. Or maybe your password is too short. Usually it'll tell you here. Now, if it does tell you that you already have an account, just cancel out and it'll say forgot password. Then you can just enter your email address. Okay? Then it'll email you a link. So this is what happens when you log in. So if I was an Algebra 1 student, I would see this, and I'll show you what the pre-algebra assignment is. So if I wanted to remake up my features of functions, I have to take notes. So this is essentially what your notes are. You have to complete 15 questions, which essentially would be a video anyway, and it's going to be due Friday the 11th, meaning if you want to complete and retake a math test next week, such as features of functions, or make up your assignment that we turned in on the 30th of November, you have to complete this by the 11th. Make sure that you also email us and let us know that you're done, just in case. We also will double check on Friday too to make sure that it's all there. So this is essentially your notes. So for Algebra 1, there's a whole bunch of different questions. Some of them you have to graph your plotted points, while others are just saying what the slope is, or sorry, what the features of the function is. So what's super cool about this is if I actually got this wrong, I can say I submit my answer. Some of the questions it'll say if it's not multiple choice, it'll ask you to retry again. So since this is not multiple choice, I get to try again. So let's say it's actually supposed to be this, or I move them around, or something like that. Okay? So let's say I submit it again, because I know this is wrong. This is what will happen. If you are wrong, it's going to say, meh, you're wrong. And it's going to actually show you what the answer should have been, and show you in detailed steps why each of these colors are the way they are, which is super cool. Honestly, you can see what's going on. So then I'd hit next problem up here. And if I know I really wanted to get this one right and doubly make sure that I'm doing it right, I can actually hit this show example button. When I click that show example button, it's going to show me an example that's similar to what I was dealing with. Obviously, it's not going to do the problem for you, but it's going to show you step by step how to solve it and why the answer is what it is. To go back to the original problem, you can hit original problem, or if you're still stuck, you can hit the next example. When you do complete it, and get the answer right, it'll look like something like this. And this record right here will say you have 4 out of 5 questions done, and you scored a 4. Okay? And it tells you what percentage you're completed. So 27%. So it would show you, yep, you got your question right, and then you hit the next problem, and so on and so forth. So again, you have until the 11th to complete this. It's a series of 15 questions for both classes. And then here is the systems one. So remember, you got to do some practice in order to show us that you are ready to take your makeup assignments. Please do make sure you complete this again by December 11th by 4 p.m. If you're stuck or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and say, hey, I don't understand this, or anything like that. Hopefully this video does help. Also, there's a calculator over here too. Have a great day, guys. And make sure next week, if you do complete your 15 problems, we will send you a link saying, here you go, ready to take it. So make sure you're watching your email Monday and Tuesday. Have a great week.